Hey there, my name's Robin Bernard, and I'm coming to you from a chilly evening here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And as you can tell from the discombobulation and boxes behind me, I'm in the midst of a move. And the one thing that I want to tell people that are in a similar situation, if you're putting together the boxes, you're trying to get things packed, you want to get them marked so that you can unpack them later, you want to make sure that the tape sticks. The one thing that I want to tell you is when you are shopping for supplies, look for Mover's Edge tape. Now it's going to tell you that it is easier to apply, it's easier to get off than other tapes, but in reality it is a horrible product. The tape dispenser itself is an over-engineered mess. It's not only over-engineered, but it's also fragile. One roller that is supposed to facilitate the tape coming out broke off quickly. And the tape itself is just a complete mess. So if you're shopping for moving supplies, keep a sharp eye out for this product, Mover's Edge, and avoid it at all cost.